In this video, I'll show you how to install the ink cartridges on your HP DeskJet 4255e. How to install it, but also how to replace them when in the future you're going to run out of ink and you'll need to remove it and put a new one. So let's get started. This printer, by the way, takes the HP 67 ink cartridges. I'll put links in the description if you want to get them from Amazon. First step, obviously, remove them from their packaging. The color ink cartridges is the one with the magenta top, and the black ink cartridge, well, it's the one in black. You need to go on the front of the printer, and here this is a door that we need to lower. Simply stick your finger on the top here and bring it down this way. Then you're gonna notice there is a second door right over here. There's a place where you need to stick your finger, and simply by pulling it down, whoop, okay, like this, the door will open. By the way, I didn't mention, but your printer needs to be turned on absolutely when you do this, because as you see there, the ink cartridge carriage moved across and stopped in the middle, so it's easier for you to load and unload your ink cartridges. One thing that is very important, over here you see there's two different cartridge slots. Well, it's very important that you put the color ink cartridge on the left side and the black ink cartridge on the right side. Okay, so let's start with the color one. Okay, the one with the magenta top. How do you put it in? Well, first of all, we need to remove this small tape over here. Peel it out like that. Never touch with your finger the print head or the contacts. You're gonna hold the cartridge with two fingers, the way I'm doing it right now, and we're gonna simply glide it in. Okay, let me do a better close-up. Glide it in its space there, okay, and it will not go fully in. Take your thumb and simply push it slightly up, okay, like that, until it clicks in place. Here we go. Same thing with the black ink cartridge, so I'm gonna remove the small sticker. I'm holding it this way with the contacts. You see over there first, okay, like that. I'm gliding it in, and at the end with my thumb, I'm simply pushing on it until it clicks. Now, when time comes to replace one of these, to remove it, you simply take your finger, put it on the top of the ink cartridge you want to remove, and push down to unclip it, and then you simply have to pull it out with your fingers. Like that. Alright, once you did this, you're gonna close the lid, and this is about it. The printer has now recognized that you have input some ink cartridges and you are ready to print. So thanks for watching. Again, if you want to purchase ink for your printer or even a new printer, check my Amazon links in the description down below. Every time you go through them, you support my channel.